We are here in Garden City, and behind me is the intersection of Merriman and Warren where the traffic lights are out. DTE says they have crews working around the clock to restore power. They say the heavy rains and winds cause outages and extensive damage in southeast Michigan. This is the aftermath of Saturday's winds. Crews working together to remove this tree from the middle of the road in Dearborn. The homeowner says it came down this morning around 10 o'clock. He says he's lucky it didn't fall towards the house.
You know, if coming to the other side in my home, for sure nobody can live right now. Everyone is gone with it. But thank God the trees go to other side.
Almost every community in Metro Detroit felt the winds that peaked as high as 65 miles per hour. In Pontiac, you can see the winds rip through this cloth roof that covers this plaza. And at this Beaumont Health building, parts of the roof are coming apart. And here in Detroit, an uprooted tree.
When I opened the door and looked out, I saw this tree laying on the ground from the root with the grass. I said, my God, what an awesome thing.
DTE's Vice President of Distribution Operations, Ryan Stowe, says they have over 1,500 crews along with local and out-of-state contractors working to restore power. Their goal is to restore 80 to 90% by the end of Sunday.
I know how frustrating it can be to be without power, especially at the time as the weather gets colder here.
Stowe says restoring power is a priority, but the safety of their employees and customers comes first.
If you've got power lines that run through your backyard or out on the street, take a look first before you head out there and try to clean up any tree debris.
As DTE works to restore power, they say they will have community vans in neighborhoods tomorrow. Once we have those details, we will post it online at WXYZ.com. I'm Nana St. Bonsu for 7 Action News.